Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited. Today we have our FabFitFun Holiday Advent Calendar. 12 days of really good gifts, so let's get in here and check it out. This is from FabFitFun. They do this every year. It has been 4 years. It sells out every year. If you are a FabFitFun member, you can just go right over and pick it up in the flash sale. It is $89.99. It has $319.98 worth of goodies inside in value, so a 72% discount. If you do not already belong to FabFitFun, but you've been on the fence, and after you see this, you really would like to, I will put links down below. If you sign up as a seasonal, you'll get 20% off your first box. If you sign up as an annual, you will get a box, they say with a value greater than $200 as a gift. We're gonna open all of these today, so if you don't wanna know the spoilers, look away. This is the time to look away, because I'm gonna open each and every one of these doors because some of us kinda like knowing what's inside. I will admit, this is a gorgeous box. It would look so pretty sitting out during the holiday season, just being gorgeous. So that would be the beauty of not opening it all up on one day. But we really wanna know what's in here. So we're gonna open it up. This is what it looks like on the inside. And we're just gonna start with number one, which is right here. These doors are solid. I had to put some work into getting this out, and this is day number one. It is a milk perfume. We have had them in our FabFitFun in the past. Milk is the scent, commodity is the brand. It is 7 ml, and the scent is expressive, which means I think it's one of the stronger ones. Expressive might be the middle. I think it comes in light, expressive, and then like bold. I came up today with no scents or lotions on because I wanted to be sure that if we open things like this, we could spray it, but that is what it looks like once you open it up. I'm gonna spray this one on the box just in case we have more things to spray scent-wise in here, and it's the very first one. Oh, that just smells so good. This one smells, it's called milk, but it smells like creme brulee. It's kind of sweet but musky underneath. I will put the notes that it has in it here. We have done this before, and I think it's got like toasted marshmallow. Okay, I won't pretend I can remember. I will put it here, but that's what it smells like. It's sweet and kind of gourmand, but not the sweet gourmand that makes you feel like a 14-year-old kid picking up something that says vanilla on it. It smells so good. Can you believe we're doing advent calendars? Oh my goodness. Has Alexandria started hers? I haven't been over there. We've been so busy that I haven't had time to really watch a lot of the girls I follow on YouTube. And I love watching all of the ones that Alexandria unboxes. Do you guys want me to do more? If you would like me to do more advents and you have something in mind that you would like to see, let me know below. This is day number two. It is Melee. Let's go with Melee and Company. Find Your Shine. I think it is a jewelry case. Yes, travel jewelry case. I like the size of this one. So often if you choose a jewelry case in one of your boxes, it is so big. And I love, can you see this one relative to my hand? I love that if you wanted to, you could tuck this in a tote or your purse. You know what I was just thinking when I said that? Actually, not winter. I was thinking summer pool days when you go to the pool. If you want to take your jewelry off, but you don't want to just chuck it into the bottom of your bag, that's what I think these are great for. It has little squares and a little place to put your rings. Up top, you can hang bracelets or necklaces because it has a little tuck-in pouch that you can use. And I like that it's a basic beige. It's not a color that's gonna overtake, like we've gotten bright pinks in the past, that kind of thing. This is very handy. Okay, day number three, we have, it's Korres. It is the vanilla cinnamon. We'll try this on for sure. It is a body smoothing milk, so it's a body cream. That is what it looks like. It is 6.76 fluid ounces, 200 ml. I go through so much body cream in the winter. It's another one of those things, kind of like lip oils and lip balms that I keep everywhere. I do the same thing, especially post-menopause. I am dry. I'm just always so dry. And since then, oh, it's kind of creamy in color, not in lotion. Ever since I went through menopause, I just stay so dry. I say went through. I think I'm still doing it because I'm still having hot flashes. Not the point. Oh, that smells good. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is the perfect holiday scent. Vanilla cinnamon. You can smell the cinnamon and the vanilla, but it's not, you don't feel like a cookie. You feel kind of like a cookie, but it's got a brightness to it that you wouldn't, it's not just cloyingly sweet. That smells so good. I'm going to see if they have a body wash that is this scent. This is what I want to smell like during the holiday season / right now. Okay, day number 4, we're digging it out. We have nail polish, love nail polish, One Step Gel Manicure. Oh, it's Nails Inc. I was like, who is it by? It is Nails Inc. It is a perfect, lovely red. My nails are not done right now because I had a terrible incident while grocery shopping the other day, and I haven't dealt with the rest of them, but that is so sad that I haven't done my nails, but this is perfect. And One Step, it says it's topless. So is it truly one step? This is in Kindle. If this is a red, and it is one coat, one step, I am already in love. Day number 5, we have, what do we have? Ather Beauty Rose Quartz Crystal Quad. So I would say it is an eyeshadow quad. That is what it looks like. When you open it up, those are the colors. We have 1 matte and 3 shimmers. They are gorgeous. I love those shimmers. We're gonna swatch this because I really like the lightness of these shimmers. They feel like something that I would use just as an everyday when I want to just put something on my lid and a little bit of shadow. When you touch them, they feel a little bit dry. Nope, but they go on very nicely. That is what they look like. I'm gonna turn them and see them myself. Oh yeah, I like that because they are very light. And for a day where I just want to put on a little mascara, but I want something on my lid to cover up the darkness, these will be perfect. Let me show you. I'll show you the matte. Actually, it's ironic. The matte feels a little more cream. It's here. It feels a little more creamy than the satiny shimmers do, which is unusual. You know, the shimmers are usually the creamier. Those are just really pretty. That is a great everyday eye look. That'll be beautiful. Day number 6, we have right here in front of me. It is the Verb Light Hold and Defrizz Hydrating Styling Cream for dry hair. I love to pull things like this through the ends of my hair, so this will absolutely get used. I have used the Verb products many times and always enjoy them. This is 5.3 fluid ounces, and it says no parabens, no gluten, no harmful sulfates, vegan, and it adds moisture, light hold, and frizz control. So those are all fantastic. Number 7, also right here in front of me. This one was tucked in there well. It is the Palo Santo Marshmallow Burnt Sugar Forever Candle from Siblings. That is a big candle to be in this box. It is probably 8 ounces if I were guessing. Yep, 8 ounces. When we open it up, oh look, it looks like one of our Vela Box candles. When we open it up, that is what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Are you ready? Oh, that smells good. No, that smells great. I love that. It's scent number 13. Palo Santo Marshmallow and Burnt Sugar by Siblings. This smells amazing. Just amazing. I love that. I'm going to take this downstairs immediately and put it under my candle warmer, so hopefully I can use it all season. The candle warmer, I usually put bigger candles on it, like my Vela Box candles, but I'm sure this will sit and get enough heat just fine. That is gorgeous. If I did not say it in the beginning, and if I didn't say it, I'm sure I've gone back through and put the words, but I am a FabFitFun partner. This was sent to me for review. And number 8, we have Tula Skincare Gold and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. I love this stuff. Love it. I have it in the blue. I have just the skoshest amount left. I have it in the pink, which I think is a glow or more moisturizing than the blue one. What it is it's a balm that you put under your eyes, and it's like instantly cooling. I love the feel, especially in the summer when you're warm, because the coolness is just so refreshing. But because it's also moisturizing, I use it in the winter. It's probiotics and superfoods. One swipe, instant glow. A brightening eye balm that instantly hydrates. And like I said, I I love the way, ooh, it's gold. That is pretty because I have a, like I said, blue one that's a matte blue and a pink one. Take this off, and what you do is you just literally put, let's do it on this hand since that one's got eyeshadow on it. Oh, I could feel the cool the second it hit my skin. I just put it right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it just instantly feels cool and lovely. Wow, this one absorbed really, really quickly. My skin must be dry. It must have needed that, even though I just put on that Korres. I don't smell a scent to it. I can't do it on my hand because my hand smells like vanilla and cinnamon. But this is a product that I love to receive. Love putting this under my eyes. Next we have number 9, and it is the Dr. Jart Vital Hydra Solution. I thought in the time that it took to say that I would get it out. There we go. It is, of course, full-sized. That is what it looks like. It is 1.69 fluid ounces. And it says, this replenishing water cream keeps moisture levels balanced, powered by Hydro Plump System and Hydrosensil Glucan Green. It leaves skin plump and full of hydration with a water glow. Okay, I've just read through the ingredients and there is nothing on the list that is an immediate no for me. So let's open this up and check it out. Ooh, look how cool that looks in that nice square bottle, the blue of it. You can see from the side the actual size of the cream. When we open it up, it is a water cream. That is what it, can you see? That is what it looks like. We'll put it here since we have the other creams on the backs of my hands. It has a slight, very slight spa kind of scent to it. It's nice. I have just put it right here. It feels like you're gonna get a lot of coverage. You know, a lot of times with like a water gel, it absorbs really quickly and you don't get a lot of moisturization. This feels like it's gonna stay there and really moisturize you. So we'll feel that again in a few minutes. Next, we have number 10. It's a little one, but a lot of times the little ones are the good ones. We have Hourglass. It is the Unlocked Satin Cream Lipstick from Hourglass. And the color is Flora, and that is what it looks like. Let's check it out. Hourglass, wow. When we take it out, that is what it looks like. Can you see the angle with the H on it? Very cool. Does it just come out? Yes, just comes out. Ooh, that is exactly my color. That deep berry tone. We'll put a little bit on my hand. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. And it was really satiny creamy going on. This is gonna be a fave. I can tell already. I love the look of it, the color of it. Perfect, yay, that is very exciting. Oh, so it is magnetic. I tried to put it in like this and it wouldn't go because that's not how it goes. You have to line it back up, but when you do, it pulls it in. So you're breaking the magnetic seal. Very cool. Going over here to 11, it's a big one, but it feels really light, so we'll see what it is. I don't know how Alexandria makes all of this opening look so cool. I find it so hard to get some of these open. Okay, and 11 we have Patchology. We have a Patchology Serve Chilled on Ice Hydrogel Firming Mask and a Serve Chilled on Ice Firming Eye Gel. So you got both. Cancel dull, puffy skin by giving it a cooling cocktail of skin smoothing goodness. Packed with age-defying ingredients like bakuchiol, which I don't use because it irritates my skin because that's like a retinol ingredient. So I will find these a good home, but especially in the Christmas season when you're running around like a crazy person trying to get everything done, a nice mask, a little self-care, lovely. I like to put on a mask and take one of Nikki's bath bombs and just soak in a bath with a mask on. Welcome to how I deal with stress. Okay, and last but not least, we have number 12. And in number 12, we have, oh, they're so soft, Unhide socks. Generally speaking, in our advent calendars, we do get socks, but they are usually Summer and Rose, which is the FabFitFun brand. These are unhide, so that's kind of exciting. They're called Softy Socks. They are 98 poly, 2% elastane. They are kind of a dark teal, and look, I just took them out of the paperwork, and they have the, oh boy, that's probably hard to show. They have unhide right here stamped into it. I'm gonna do this because with the lighting in my eyes, it's hard for me to see when it works. And then when we open it up, that is what they look like. I love soft socks. I'm gonna put these on as soon as I take the picture for this. This is gorgeous. And it matches back kind of to, let's lift it up, to the box. Very pretty. So that is the 12 days holiday advent calendar from FabFitFun. Again, if you're a member, you just pop right on over. It is in the flash sale. It is $89.99. and it is $319.98 in value, product value. But now that you've seen the products, you can decide if it's worth that value to you. As we went along, I did something very different this time. I put everything back in its little hole. I know, it's different. So it's all in there. But that is what it looked like when we opened it up. So we had everything from the little travel purse to what was here. I don't remember what everything was. Oh, the Corez, that smells so good. All tucked in the 12 days. If you have any questions about anything to do with FabFitFun, just let me know. I am a FabFitFun partner. Again, I will put my information down below if you would like to sign up for FabFitFun. If you signed up now, you would receive the fall box. We haven't started talking about the winter box yet. So you would receive the fall box if you signed up for FabFitFun, and then you could order this. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you don't already subscribe, I hope you will consider doing so. If you'd hit the hype button down below, it helps us with our algorithms and getting this out there. I'm not sure I understand everything I've read about it, but I know that it helps the channel. So thank you so much for coming by. Let me know what you think about this. I think it's a good one. I like that they changed the socks up to unhide. I love the thoughts of the Hourglass Lippy. That's gorgeous. The Corez, oh my gosh, the Corez lotion smells so good. The candle smells so good. Yeah, this was definitely a good one. Talk to you again soon, guys. Bye.